So you did your homework. Now let's write your first 10 tweets. The first 10 tweet types are right here, and these are tweet types that I've collected based on looking at other people's tweets, looking at our most successful tweets, and trying to come up with a framework that you can use to quickly start writing tweets that perform via ads. So here we go. The first one is announcement, the "they call me Slim Shady" type. That's like a pop song sort of thing, like Backstreet's Back, all right, like you write a tweet that announces you. Edgy joke about people in your niche, counter program the mainstream, your niche plus crypto, edgy joke about boomers, anti-establishment in niche, a poll, an excitement/grateful post, statement of true fact, and motivation. So what I want to do now is I want to show you an example of each one of these, and then I want you, as your homework, to write an example of each one of these as we go through them. So here's tweet number 1. It's an announcement post. Here's what the Software King said. I got a 6-figure offer from a Fortune 500 company at 22, turned them down to build my SaaS, never looked back. Now, you write one. It's an announcement type tweet. So something about your backstory that you've done that's successful and framed in a way that makes waves. So go ahead and write tweet number 1. Now we can move on to tweet number 2, which is an edgy joke about people in your niche. So you can see, if software developers were any worse at talking to women, we'd still be living in caveman times. That's what works in this niche. So now you write one, edgy joke about people in your niche. Something, it can't just be like, it can't be the same thing everyone's heard a million times. That's why I said an edgy joke. It's got to be the type of joke nobody else would write. Now, tweet number 3, counter program the mainstream. So, can you watch 2 hours of YouTube? Great. You were smart enough to run a successful SaaS. Right? We're counter programming the mainstream here. People think running a SaaS is hard, but I'm saying you can run a SaaS after watching 2 hours of YouTube. So you do the same thing, counter program the mainstream, write a tweet like this. Now, next one, your niche plus crypto. Looking for devs to build a crypto SaaS. You in? Now you write one, something about your niche and cryptocurrency. Tweet number 5 is going to be an edgy joke about boomers. So, even my Karen mom made $1 million with her SaaS this week. Keep up, boomer. So you go ahead and write some kind of edgy joke about boomers or Karens or something like that. Edgy joke about boomers. And tweet number 6 is anti-establishment. So screw anyone who says you needed 6 figures to build a SaaS. You can do this with less than 2K. Go ahead and write your anti-establishment tweet. Tweet number 7 is a poll. Which business model is the best? SaaS, services, online courses, or getting a 9-to-5 job? Now you write one like this. Write a poll for your audience. It must be in niche, some kind of in niche poll. Tweet number 8 is a grateful post, an excitement post. So, I love the Twitter developer community, never been part of a better group. Now you write one. I love the whatever community, never been part of a better group. Tweet number 9 is a statement of true fact. So, can't stress this enough. You need a coding standard. Disorganized code is for chumps. So look at something from your niche and state that as a fact. Now you write one. And tweet number 10 is motivational. Start your company. Just do it. Start your software company. Just do it. Now you write one. So you got your 10 tweets, 10 tweet types. Go through this again, rewind it if you have to, and go through and write 10. By the end of this, now you should have 10 tweets. After that, we'll go into the tweeting tips, but please make sure you go back and write one tweet for each of these types. You should have 10 tweets written.